In today's video, we will replace the turn signal bulb for the taillight of 2020 Rav4. First, we will open the trunk. Using the plastic trim remover tool, pull out the plastic cover which is right beside the taillight. Plastic cover is taken out. There are two 10mm screws that needs to be taken out. Here I'm using an impact gun with a 10mm socket, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm socket if you want. Both the screws are out. Now from the quarter panel side, we will push the tail light until it comes out, and there is the tail light taken apart. Behind the tail light, there is the plug for the turn signal bulb. We need to turn this plug anti-clockwise to take out the bulb. Plug is out. Now we take out the bulb. We will just push it outwards, and there's that bulb taken out. Now suppose you got a new bulb, you just put it back. Does not matter this way or the other. Press and hold the bulb until you hear a clicking sound. Now we will put back the plug where it came from. We will turn it clockwise until it goes in. Once it's completely in, only then we turn it clockwise again so that the plug is installed firm and strong. The bulb has been replaced. Now we will put back the tail light. Underneath the tail light are some tabs. We have to make sure to align the tail light appropriately with respect to those tabs. They are sliding tabs, so make sure you put the tail light in a way that you have enough room for the tail light to slide it in. And also from the quarter panel side, make sure to align this end of the tail light in the bracket attached with the quarter panel, just like that. Once both sides, brackets and tabs are aligned, only then we give the tail light a final push. All seems fine. Now we will go ahead and put back both the screws. We are tightening the screws with a gun, but I would recommend you doing it with a socket wrench, because sometimes tightening with the gun you may end up breaking the bracket that's inside. Now we will put back the plastic cover. Make sure this curved side stays on the top while installing it, and also make sure these two tabs go to these two spots right there. Once aligned, we will push the plastic cover until we hear a clicking sound. And with that, we have completed the replacement of the turn signal bulb. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.